Right. Let's do something beautiful, yeah? Something beautiful. I show you now. Something beautiful to do. Very, very beautiful, yeah? Let's turn these cameras to me because I have one phone on camera now. This is me, yes. You see me, I am beautiful anyway, yeah? Riding my motorbike. I will show you something. This road, you see this road, anyway, I turn me bad, yeah? This road is very straight, yeah? People drive very, 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 very fast. Drive very fast, arrive in this corner, you see here. Me, I'm okay now, but I'm telling you, here it's very strong, very powerful corner, go left, yeah? Arrive here in this corner, and it's this bushes. They don't say it is signage, you know, very, very hard corner. You see how hard it's. And I'm thinking one day someone will, hitting him, you know. And now what I'm doing, I try to, I don't know, man, damage these bushes, like that, you know. For the future, for you, for motorbike, you coming to see him, you know. This is something, yeah. I know it's looking bad. I don't know why they don't cut it this, but you know, I don't know why. Why someone, oh man, it's itchy, my hands, my legs. Anyway, why someone don't fucking damage them, you know? Forever, do something good, because this is not very good. I'm sorry because I'm turning, I'm nervous now. I am very nervous for this signage, you know? This is what happened. Yeah. So far you have to know, if you say these bushes in the road, you have to know me, I push them. There's nothing bad, but anyway, a little bit better, no? You say now it's corner to left, yeah? No, because me, I was thinking, you know, I just passing here, I am not driving fast, I'm slowly, yeah? But I was thinking, if I was with a sport bike, with a street bike, very fast in this corner, don't say this, you know? Was bad, man, you know? Or nighttime buses, yeah?